In this short video, I'm going to show you how to download the NSI Output Manager software. To do that, it's very simple. Simply bring up any web browser. I have Microsoft Internet Explorer here, and go to the following web address: http://weblicense.nsius.com, and that takes us to the NSI Web License portal. If you have already been to this site, you probably have a logon account already, so simply enter that email address, which we use as a account name, and the corresponding password, and then log in. If you have not been here before, if you do not have an account, not a problem. Simply go down here and click the link, New User, Create Account. And that brings up a form, the Create New Account form. Very simple. First name, last name, phone number, company, all standard stuff. Very simple. The only thing to point out here is we do require that you enter in a valid business email account. Notice I said business email account. We filter out free email accounts, as in we filter out Google Mail, Yahoo Mail, Hotmail, any kind of free email account. We filter that out. So you must enter in a valid business email account. After you do that, we will send to that address a NSI email message to you, and inside our message will be a link that you need to click to verify that email address. Another thing you need to do here on this form is, if you look down here towards the bottom, we want to make sure that you are a human and not a robot. So we have an image verification area. If I look on the screen here, it says verify that you are a human, not a robot. Please choose lock. So in this case, it's asking me to choose the lock. So since I am a human, I know what the picture of a lock looks like, so I would click that. Now once I finish completing this form, I would scroll down to the bottom and click the Create My Account button, and that would create my account. Now remember, even after you create your account, you still have to go to your business email account, open up the email that we, NSI, sent you, and click the verification link. Then, and only then, can you log in with your new account. So I'm going to go back to the logon page, and I'm going to log on with my account and my corresponding password, and click the logon button, and that takes me to the downloads page. Notice I have a big label here that says select product, so I'm going to hit the drop down arrow, and there's a lot of the NSI software. We are concerned about the NSI Output Manager product, so I'm going to go down to that section. Inevitably, the first thing you want to download is the NSI Output Manager server software, which is listed right there. So I'm going to highlight that, hit the enter key, and once I do that, I have a link here that allows me to download the NSI Output Manager server, so I'm going to click that. And depending on what browser you have and how you have your browser set up, you might have a screen like this that comes up. I'm going to do a save as, and I'm going to save it to the downloads folder. Also, I should have pointed out on that previous screen that this file, this zip file, is about 2 gigabytes, so it's a decent sized file, so give yourself enough time. I'm going to click the Save button, and that's going to start the download. I'm going to get rid of my download manager here. Also, I recommend at this point that you download the NSI Output Manager install guide, which is a PDF file, and you might also want to click the README link here and read the README file. Also, there's some other software that I recommend that you download. I'm going to go back up here to the select product area and click the drop down. Notice right underneath the NSI Output Manager server, we have another package called the NSI Device Registration Service, or what we abbreviate as DRS. This is a tool that allows you to configure and send our NSI software to a multifunction device so that it will work with secure pull print, one of the key features of our Output Manager product. So again, this DRS product is very, very important. As a matter of fact, you have to have it if you want to configure and install our software on a supported MFD. You might also notice here there's some other software here, the NSI client software, and some software here, AutoStore Capture for Output Manager. One of our other main products is our NSI AutoStore product, which is essentially a scan and route software product. Our Output Manager product works or integrates with NSI AutoStore. So if you want to integrate those two products, here is the software that you would download to do that integration. Also, one final thing is down here in the bottom of the list, there's something listed as BAR EOM, Enterprise Output Manager. That is an enterprise package that works in enterprise computer environments. Enterprise meaning old mainframes. So for some of our clients that are in that type of environment, this would be the software that we would need. So in summary, to download the Output Manager software, very, very simple. Simply go to our portal, which is at weblicense.nsius.com. Log in or create a login account if you don't have one already, and simply go to this page and download the software. Inevitably, you are going to need the server software and the DRS software. That's all there is to it.